Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be going over my one-on-one business credit mentorship. You might have seen some recent videos I put out about offering the one-on-one business credit mentorship. This is the final video about the business credit mentorship coming to an end. I only have a few slots available. I try to do everything all at one time, just so everyone's starting at the same time. But it is one-on-one. I'm going to give you a few details about it. So if you are interested, just go ahead and text me the number below, 937-423-9954. Please don't call. It is my personal cell phone number. Just text me your name and that you're interested in for the business credit mentorship and for how long. There's 3 weeks and 6 weeks. I'll go over that right now, just so you guys have an idea. So if you're interested, you see behind me, you can see behind me all the different cards. Those are just some of the cards I have. Several more here. I got more in the sock drawer. But in total, I have roughly, I would say, 1.4 million in business credit. I would say out of that, 60 to 70% of it is no personal guarantee. Some are fintech, some are lines of credit. We have gas cards, vendor trade line like Best Buy, Lowe's for Pros, JCPenney's, several gas cards, but also several fintech cards as well. Fairly new, and they issue anywhere from a couple $1,000 credit limit upwards to say $100,000. The numbers right there, 937-423-9954. I only have about 2 to 3 more spots left. That's why I'm putting this final video out there. It is the last business credit one-on-one mentorship that I'm offering for 2023. I'm not sure when I'll do it again. As a lot of you guys may know, I only do these mentorships about once or twice a year at the most. All right. So again, just text me and we'll get on the phone and figure out if the mentorship is right for you. What do you get with the business credit mentorship? All right. So what I do is initially, if you sign up for the one-on-one business credit mentorship, take all your business credit reports. I review all of your business credit reports, as well as your Secretary of State records filing. Okay. Your LLC, INC, S Corp, whatever it may be. Then at that point, I review everything to make sure everything is matching down to, like, say, the suite number, all the filmographic information is correct, being like key personnel, website address, phone number, all that information. If it's not there, then I address it for our first initial call. So with the mentorship, it's 3 weeks and 6 weeks long. So 3 weeks is 600, and for 6 weeks, it's 1,000. I will do calls with you weekly, and you get emails from me every single week. We come up with a plan of attack to increase your chances for approval for each one that I have you apply for. I'll give you instructions how to apply for each one so you have increased chances of approval. I know all these underwriters, I know what they're looking for. That's how I was able to get all of these in a very short amount of time. Having good personal credit does increase your chances of approval for some, required for the mentorship, but it does help having decent personal credit. If you have high utilization, that's okay. But there is some that require you to do a soft pull to make sure that you don't have a history of not paying your bills. So that's the only reason I ask about the personal credit. All right. So with all that being said, you guys take care. The spots are limited. 937-423-9954. Text me, and then we'll go from there. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.